Thank you for choosing the DF2000A spectrometer. The following is a detailed introduction. Operating procedures for the DF2000A handheld spectrometer. Precautions. 1. Check if all items are complete. Open the instrument case. Check the contents of the box. Includes a product user manual. 1 DF2000A fluorescence spectrometer. 2 dedicated batteries for the instrument. 1 battery charger. 1 USB download cable. 1 316 standard calibration block. 1 USB port. After all checks are completed, the sample can be successfully tested. Second, handle with care. Please operate with care and avoid dropping or bumping. Third, protect the detector window. During use, ensure the detector window is not damaged by sharp objects. After completing the above steps, remove the instrument. Insert the dedicated battery at the bottom. Begin sample testing. Sample testing involves 3 steps. Step 1. Power on. Press and hold the power switch for 3 seconds until the indicator light illuminates. The instrument system will start and wait for software data loading. After data loading is complete, the system interface will appear. Step 2. Sample determination procedure. Put on the wrist strap. Click Measure. Aim the detection window at the sample to be tested. Touch the red trigger switch, or click Start in the lower left corner of the screen. The indicator light on the screen will turn on. After the measurement begins, information such as element name, content, and sample grade will be displayed on the main interface. On this interface, the second icon at the bottom indicates that the measurement results are displayed in spectral mode. The third icon indicates saving the measurement results. The icon in the lower right corner indicates returning to the previous menu. Step 3. Instrument calibration. Measurement position before the sample. To ensure instrument accuracy, it is recommended to first measure the instrument's standard control sample 316. Check the control sample measurement results and compare them with its standard value. If the measurement results are satisfactory, the unknown sample can be measured directly. If the measured values have significant errors, the instrument needs to be calibrated. For detailed standardization instructions, click Standardization. Place the control sample in the test window. Start sample measurement. The instrument will automatically calibrate. After standardization, simply click the return button in the lower right corner. Other functions. Regarding saving measurement data, the DF2000A supports automatic or manual data saving to a memory card or USB flash drive. Click the Save icon. Click the top left corner to automatically save results. Click Back. The measurement results can now be saved directly. Test Result Inquiry. Click Result Inquiry. Select Measurement Date Range. The system will retrieve all saved measurement results within that date range. Test sequence numbers are sorted by time. Select the sample sequence to view. The elemental content and sample number will be displayed in the table. The measurement results can also be transferred to a USB drive. The information option in the settings menu provides functions such as database upgrade, program upgrade, database export, exporting measurement results, and importing measurement results. This function is for the exclusive use of our company's technical personnel. Please do not operate it yourself. After using the instrument, press the power off button. Click Yes. After exiting and turning off the instrument, remove the batteries. Store it properly in the carrying case.